What's going on, guys? Oh, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Champ Vlogs. I got a lot to talk about today, so let's get started. Like, I can care less about. First things first, I apologize for being gone for so long. So much has been happening in the past 2 months that it's just been crazy, it's been hectic. So let's just give you the whole rundown. So I kind of clickbaited. The Beamer is not 100% totaled. It's actually still outside now. Hold on, sitting right there. But basically the car is undrivable. There's been an issue with my drive shaft that I've been dealing with since I got the car, and it kind of got me to a halt of where I'm at right now. Basically, I just want to say this to everyone: when you're working on your car or you know that something's wrong, don't put it off for as long as possible. Don't do that. Just get it taken care of right then and there, because then you won't be in my situation. Because currently I'm waiting to take my car to a shop, get it put in, get a new drive shaft put in and everything, and that's the whole reason why I'm not able to drive my car. It's annoying because I've been putting it off for so long and dealing with it that it's been making most of the stuff that I've been doing with my car, going to meets, all that stuff, kind of hard, only because I was hoping that it wouldn't break. Little BS like that. It's just been holding me back from doing a lot of stuff. And I, for one, am just super annoyed. I had a friend help me try to put a new drive shaft in. I bought one and everything, but we just been having issues back to back with it. It's not really his fault. It's just the fact that because of me taking so long to get stuff done, that it's kind of having long-lasting effects. Like, for instance, I got the new drive shaft. Everything on it looks great. Everything looks perfect. Everything looks functional. We're good to go. But because of me having the old drive shaft in and it was banging against the car, it ended up breaking a screw, which means now I have to get that welded. But I didn't know about that until after we jacked the car up and took the old one out and tried to put the new one in. So now I have to get somebody to weld it, and we tried to get my friend to do it, and it just didn't work out. All I'm basically saying is, if you have an issue with your car, you can't solve it yourself. Just save the money and get it done. It's obviously something that anyone would think should be done, but literally just get it done. So I live here with family, and they ended up getting COVID about 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago. So I had to get out of this house, which is where all my equipment is, my computer, my camera, everything is literally here. So back in December, I couldn't edit, I couldn't do anything as far as working on content and talking to you guys about what's been going on, so I haven't been able to upload. Things get all better, I can finally come home, and then next thing you know, I get COVID. And then I have to leave because I don't want to get them sick, so I end up quarantining at a different place. Just this whole stupid scenario, it was just back to back. But things are looking way up. I have a new cool video for you guys, has to do with my interior, and I have a whole bunch more coming to you guys as well. I'm supposed to be taking the car to the shop this week, hopefully, so we can get somebody to professionally install the drive shaft, so I don't have to worry about this ever again. We can have the car running and I can go back to driving. I get the wheels put on the car finally after all this time, and then the car breaks down. I can barely drive it. It's just sitting outside looking all beautiful. Monster truck ride height, all that, and I can't even drive it. It's the most annoying thing ever. So after all that, now I'm finally back home, COVID free. No one else in the house is gonna have COVID. I have a ton more content coming for you guys because I was able to get a bunch of stuff for the car for Christmas, and I ordered a bunch of new stuff too as well for Christmas. Just a Christmas gift for myself, for us to be installing the video. So next week we will have a new video out, and the content will continue to roll out. I have way more for you guys. I'm so excited because some of the stuff is really cool. Some of the stuff I've been waiting for forever to finally get, but we're doing it now. So there will be more content, I promise, coming very soon. This is just a video telling you guys what happened to me, what happened to my car, all of that. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you guys next week on our new video because it's gonna be so dope. I promise you guys are gonna like it. Until then, we out. Yes, sir.